It's almost impossible to believe that Lagos does not have a working stadium. Yes, what I mean a working stadium is there is no functioning stadium in Lagos. If you want to play a football game, it's either you go to Abuja or the one at Akwa Ibom State. This is actually not a good news because Lagos is one of the biggest states in West Africa and also the biggest in Nigeria in general. Lagos is the business area of Western Africa, but still yet it does not have a functioning stadium. It's funny how in between this road you're seeing there are two major stadiums which has been closed for years now without being used. This one you're looking at is the Teslim Balogun, which is the Lagos state-owned stadium. This is state-owned property. It works in a day and doesn't work for 2 months. That's example of the stadium. This stadium was built and opened. It has served a lot of years, and all of a sudden the maintenance flopped and the stadium fell apart. Now there was a time this construction of the stadium took place. We all believed, oh, finally we are going to get something good out of Lagos, but unfortunately it was suspended. Later it came up again. They stopped it a couple of times. This construction has kicked off and stopped, and as you can see they are currently working on it again now, but only God knows if this one is going to be the last time they work on it because the stadium actually needs to be used. There are a lot of stars, a lot of shows, a lot of things that could actually be done in this stadium, in this premises, but none of that is working because the stadium is not functioning. It's funny how Lagos, the city of excellence, has nothing to offer in terms of footballing. Now, if we turn the drone to the other stadium, which is the federal owned stadium, this stadium has been locked for decades now. This one is even worse than the Lagos State owned. But the only difference is that the premises of this particular one is that people come around in the premises. The table tennis is functioning. Some little fields are still functioning. The baseball, the swimming, everything is functioning except the football pitch itself. And as you can see, a lot of people come here every day to exercise, do sports. Here, a lot of stars has been born and brought up from this particular stadium. This is the only stadium that works in premises in Lagos, but the stadium itself is not working. So those who are participating or aspiring to participate in boxing, there's a professional boxing ring in this stadium. Those who are participating for Olympic swimming, there are professional swimmers and swimming pool, lawn tennis, basketball, mention it. And if you're also interested in taekwondo, there are people who teach taekwondo in this place. So this place has it all except the main purpose why it was built for football. So now there are a lot of football little teams who play football around here, but they make use of the little stadium, little pitch rather, which is still functioning. It is well maintained compared to the main stadium. Don't worry, on today's video we'll be taking a proper view, a drone view, and also I'll walk around the premises to show you the difference between the two stadiums, what you need to know, and also the thing that is being used for now. 90% of time this stadium is being used for mostly selling and buying. You will notice people come here weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sundays to sell clothes, drinks, food for people who is coming to participate in any form of sporting activity. And this has been going on for a couple of years now. There was a time this particular one also went through some demolitions, some parts that were falling apart, so they had to break them down to reduce accidents or avoid accidents. That was the only time this stadium was touched, and we all thought they were going to renovate it and open it. All of a sudden they stopped. I don't know why it actually happened like that, and the Ministry of Sports building is right here at the stadium, but still on there's nothing going on properly about the ministry. This is the only football pitch that is functioning well. This one is still well maintained. It has artificial grass, and there are a lot of football clubs playing on these particular ones, especially these junior FCs and Lagos State FC. So this is their home where they play football. Regardless, let's take a proper view of the video. I'll let you know how to enjoy the rest of the video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Right here at the Lagos International Stadium, Lagos National Stadium, you can see that A lot of people are out here selling dances, practices, models, dancers. Everything is out here, and I'm gonna show you what this place looks like today, being the 20th of December 2025.